to my channel. My name is Tawana, and on my channel, I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, and organization videos. If that is content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and become a part of the Johnson family. If you are new here, welcome. If you have subscribed to the channel, hey girl, hey, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are deep cleaning the family room and taking down the Christmas decor. So if you are interested in this kind of content, just keep on watching.